Welcome to this video, guys. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the best forex brokers out there that you can possibly work with in your forex trading journey. Now I want you to give me a like and a subscribe if you like the video, right? Because the video is useful and it's going to save you a lot of headache. So if you're starting out trading forex, one of the things that you're going to need is a forex broker. And a broker is where you create your forex account and you actually get connected to the forex market so that you can actually trade. So it is through a broker that you can use MetaTrader apps, or you can use the trading apps like the C Trader, Ninja Trader, etc. to make money on the forex market. So every trader needs to sign up with a broker. Signing up with a broker is free, right? It's free to sign up with a broker, and there are many brokers. There are many brokers. So the challenge that will come, to you as somebody who wants to trade forex is choosing the right broker and making sure that you get a good start so that you will not have problems, as a beginner when you start trading. Now, what are some of the problems you can have when you don't choose the right broker? For instance, you can have a broker and then the broker takes your money, or you can have a broker which has poor, spreads, or you can have a broker which does not allow you to withdraw frequently, or you can have a broker which has problems with deposit, or you can have a broker which has problems with customer support, or you can have a broker, which is just outright not a good broker at all. So basically, the problem is that you don't want to start up with a bad broker. You want to have the best brokers as a beginner. So I have compiled about 4 or 5 of the best brokers for you trading forex, brokers that I use and brokers I have used, so that you will have a smooth beginning as a trader and your money will be secure and you can withdraw your money and then you can use it for whatever you want when you trade. Now, all these brokers have good leverage. All these brokers are regulated brokers, so they are not scam brokers. They are not shady brokers. They are all regulated. So the first broker that I'm going to show you is an Australian broker called FP Markets. So FP Markets is regulated and they have great spreads. Their spreads are 0.0. That means they have no spreads at all. So then when you trade, right, some of their pairs have are such that the broker does not make any commission at all from the trade. So a spread is what the little commission that the broker makes, very little, very small amount the broker makes. But with this broker, they start from 0.0 spreads. So basically the broker doesn't even make anything at all from the trades you make, and it's giving you this opportunity to start your trading with. So they're not taking your money, or they're not running away with your money, basically. Now, this broker was set up in 2005, right? So they've been in a system for a long time. This is 2024, almost 19 years. So they have a good name, right? They've been there for a long time. They're not a new broker that has just come up. They've been around for a long time and they have a good reputation. Now, they have many pairs, right? So these are some stats about this broker. They have 60 plus currency pairs on MT4, and they have more than 10,000 stocks on global exchanges. You can trade 19 indices pairs with this broker. You can trade commodities like coffee, gas, corn, gold, right? There are bonds that you can trade too, and metals, right? You can trade commodities like coffee, gas, corn, oil, and there are bonds too, as well as metals like gold, oil. Okay, wrong. You can trade commodities like coffee, gas, corn. You can also trade bonds, right? And also metals like gold, oil, silver. Now, more about this broker is, on their website. More about this broker is on their website. So if you go to their website, right, you can just read more about them, right? And they have I'm signed up to this broker and they have a copy trading service. So with a copy trading service, right? It's something where you can copy, my trades. If you are new to trading, you want to copy my trades, you can copy my trades and you can trade with them. And you can trade my trade so that you can profit. You can build your account as a beginner. If you're not too good at trading as a beginner, that's something you can use, right, to help your trading. Now the minimum deposit, for this broker is $100, right? So you need a minimum deposit of $100 for for this broker, and that's good, right? With just a little $100, you can create an account, you can start trading with this broker. Now they have leverage, good leverage, all right? They have leverage of as high as 1:500, so you can trade and you can profit quickly on small accounts using this broker. Now if we go to the website called Trustpilot, right? We have Trustpilot here, and this is a review website, a very popular review website where many brands, companies have been reviewed to see if they are good or not. And this is an authentic review website that gives reviews, right, about products and services. So FP Markets has a 4.8 star review. You can see it there. So I'm not just telling you, right? They're actually a very good broker, and they are also a verified company. So they have 4.8 stars and they have over 5,000 reviews. So this is not a broker that is 1 star or 2 star. This is one of the very best brokers that you can start to trade with. The next is Exness. So the next is a broker called Exness. So this is actually the first broker that I signed up with to start trading with, and Exness is also an equally good broker. Now Exness has also been around for a long time, and Exness is fantastic with basically everything just as FP Markets is. So Exness, a few stats is they have 700,000 active traders, right? They're also regulated. They have good customer support, just like the previous one too. I failed to mention that. Now, you have so many pairs, so many assets that you can trade on Exness, right? You can trade all the Forex pairs, the major pairs, the minor pairs. You can trade the metals, you can trade the commodities, the bonds, everything. Now, here are a few stats with Exness. They have $4+ trillion monthly trading volume. So it means a lot of people, actually use Exness too, just as a previous broker. The previous broker also has a large trading volume, right? So it means that you're not the only one using it, and you can trust them to handle your money well, right? They have 1.9 billion trades executed. They have 64,000 registered partners, and they also have Trustpilot rating, right? So they are also on Trustpilot, just like the previous broker, and their rating is 4.6. So their rating is just just a tad bit lower. It's a little bit lower than the previous one. The previous one is 4.8. This is 4.6. Not much difference, right? Basically, they're almost all 5-star brokers, so you can use any of them, right? Any of them are fantastic brokers that you can try out with to see and just trade with. Now, the advantage, or one of the things about Exness too I can add, is they have very high leverage, right? So like they have more, they can give you more leverage for trading, so they can give you as high as unlimited leverage for trading. But usually on beginner accounts, when you open an account, you get as high as 1:3,000 for leverage. So Exness is one of the best brokers that you can also use to start your trading journey. Next is we are going to go to the next one on the list. All right. Now, this broker here is called Admirals or Admiral Markets. It's a great broker, right? A very fantastic broker too as well. This is the website, the front page. Now, all the links to the brokers are in my description. All the links to the brokers are in my description. Admiral Markets has over 2,500 instruments, 80 Forex pairs. So this has more Forex pairs than FP Markets. Has 12 indices, 5 commodities, right? ETFs, stocks, and cryptocurrencies are also here. All the other brokers also have cryptocurrencies. The least amount of money you can use to start trading here is $25. So for this, you can use $25 to start. And right, they have great spreads, right? Just like the previous one or previous ones, they have great leverage. They give you leverage as high as 1:1,000, right? Leverage as high as 1:1,000. And Yeah, they're basically, a very great broker to start with that many people don't know about, right? So all the brokers I give you are regulated. I failed to mention that this one is regulated right here. It's regulated in Cyprus, right? And the address is right there, and they have an email address. They have contact. All of them have 24-hour support. 24 hours you can contact this broker in case you have any problems, right, with your trading or with your account or anything. This broker is always there to help you to resolve every issues, and they don't have swap fees. So one good news about this broker is there's nothing like swap fees, and swap fees are not a big deal, but this is just something little they add, to attract people, into their trading, game, right? So Admiral Markets is a good broker that you can start with. Now, for some countries, if you register with Admiral Markets, you may be able to get a $100 credit, right? Or even if you don't get the $100 credits, they give a bonus, right? I think they can give you a bonus, a trading bonus. So you should try them out and see if it calls out to you. If you prefer to try this one out, or you can try all of them out. You can try any of the brokers out, right? You can create an account with all of them and just see the ones that you like. You can put money in all of them and use all of them because they are all great brokers. So let's go to FBS. Now at the end of the video, I will tell you my number one top pick, right? I'll give my number one top pick broker, but they are all great brokers, and I don't want to bring one down in your, I don't want to say one is necessarily better than the rest, because I too took my time to select some of the very best brokers right out there for you. Now we have one here called FBS. So FBS is a very good broker, right? And they have great deposit options, withdrawal options. They have 24 hours, support. They have leverage of 1:3,000. You can start trading with FBS from a very small amount, from $5. They also have zero commissions. They have 550 plus trading instruments. So they have less instruments as compared to the Admirals, the previous one, but still they are very good. They are a very good broker. They have over 27 million clients, as they claim, right? And they are in over 150 plus countries. And they have education as well, trading education in their website. If you join their website and you don't know how to trade, you can get some free education there. The very best education, but some free basic education about Forex that can help you as a beginner. And they are also in the link in my description. So one, I think I mentioned this, they have over 200 withdrawal ways, right? 200 deposit and withdrawal ways. So they have the most deposit and withdrawal methods, I think, out on the list. The previous ones all have adequate deposit and withdrawal methods, which is important for every broker. So you can withdraw with or deposit with credit card, Netella, Skrill, mobile money. You can use, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, USD, the US. You can Bitcoin. You can use all type of cryptocurrencies, and other types of deposit and withdrawal methods, right? And that's very important for every broker if you are starting out trading, so that you can have breathing room. Now let us go to the next broker, which is called X-Chief Broker, right? Xchief.com is a broker I recently discovered, and I like the broker so much because they are so great, right? They're so fantastic, and they are actually so super good, super broker. Xchief.com has 12.5k reviews, 4.8 star broker. It's rated 4.8 on Forex Peace Army. Now, if you know Forex Peace Army is a website that rates, Forex brokers, and it's actually a website which is very difficult to get good ratings on. So if there is a broker on Forex Peace Army that has good ratings, then it is just a very great broker. So to get 4.8 stars on Forex Peace Army is wonderful, and this broker has been there for over 10 years. They trade all the instruments. They're just like the previous ones. All the instruments you want to trade, the major ones, the Forex pairs, the metals, the commodities, everything is there. You have tight spreads from zero, right? And they can give you $100 no deposit bonus, right? $100 no deposit bonus. So if for some countries, if you sign up with this broker, they'll give you $100 for free to start trading, and you don't have to fund your account to trade. They'll give it to you for free to use. And I don't know if it's for everyone, but you can try it and see. Right, they have an affiliate program. Right, also they have different deposit and withdrawal methods. They have, fast and pay, Neteller, Skrill, credit card, debit cards. Right, they have all these wonderful withdrawal and deposit methods so that you can always get your money right anywhere you want it to be. They also support Bitcoin, perfect money, etc. Now, this broker is fantastic and is just as great as the rest. And now we're going to move on to the next broker. Now, the next broker, before we go to the next broker, let's talk about the review for the next broker. So the review for the next broker is Trustpilot review, 4.5 star, OctaFX. So OctaFX is also a verified company called OctaFX. It has over 6,000 reviews and it's a 4.5 star broker. So it's 5-star, man. All the brokers are top brokers. Now, their website is octafx.com, right? And let's just look at a few of their, benefits. So they have over 60 awards. They have 40 million accounts plus. They are in over 180 countries. They've been on the market for 12 years. They are very highly rated on Trustpilot. I already mentioned that. And they have a leverage of as high as 1:500 leverage. So they're also great with leverage. And they give you 50% bonus when you sign up with them. So if you fund an account for, let's say, $50, they will add an extra $50 to help you to trade, and free money that they give to you to help you to trade. And that's free money they give to you to help you to trade. Now, these brokers are fantastic. You can check them out right now, right, and see more of. You can read everything on the website. The links are all in the description, so you don't have to struggle to find the links. And they also have great customer service and customer support. So I have given you a list. This brings me to the end of the video. Now, I want to say I've not talked too much about OctaFX. I don't want the video to be too long, but if you go to the website, you will just see how fantastic that OctaFX is. You see how fantastic all the brokers are. Last but not the least, there's a broker here called Fusion Markets. Fusion Markets is also a regulated broker, Australian broker. And a lot of the brokers I gave you are Australian brokers, I think. And they are all very regulated. Trustpilot rating is 4.6 reviews, over 1,000 reviews. And they have zero spreads, right? They have low commissions like the rest. They have great, customer support and no fees on deposit. You can deposit with MasterCard, PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, Visa card, many options. And there's copy trading on this platform. So with all these brokers I gave you, all you have to do is go to their websites, right? When you go to their websites, you can just create a free account. After creating your free account, you verify the account. After verifying the account, what you do next is that you now have to fund your account, right? You can fund your account with a minimum of 100 deposit. Most of these brokers, right? Some of them $5, $10 can allow you if you don't have any money. But I'll suggest that you start trading with, a minimum of $100, right? At least so that you can have room to trade. And then, right, you can start to make money trading Forex. Now, also, if you go in the links in my description, apart from getting access, if you go to my description also, you will find that I have a free Forex trading community. And in my free community, you get free signals, free trading signals. I share some of my signals, and also you get a free trading course. So if you don't know how to trade Forex, you can learn to trade Forex completely for free from me in my free community. So make sure that you also check that out. That is the end of this video. Try out the brokers and test them out. See the ones you like. You can use all of them. You can choose one of them, right? I have no favorites. All of the brokers that I've given you are top rated and they are all great brokers. This is the best video showing you brokers on the internet because all the brokers I gave you are the best. Don't go watch any other video, my friends. Don't watch any other video. This one of the best videos. And that is the end. Make sure to check them out and see the ones that you like, and happy trading.